Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. It's been a while since I put together a dessert, so today I'm making blueberry pie. Let's get started. I have my 8-inch deep dish pie plate in a pan with some parchment paper. The paper is just to keep the pie plate from scratching the pan. The pan is to keep the mess in case the pie bubbles over, which it's likely to do. And we're just going to ease this bottom crust into this pie plate. All right, onto the fruit filling. We're starting with a very generous 4 cups of blueberries, either fresh or frozen. We'll be adding sugar, cornstarch, salt, and cinnamon as our dry ingredients. And for flavoring, we have lime juice and just a bit of almond extract. We're going to start by whisking all of our dry ingredients together. And then we toss in our berries. And finally, we add in our wet ingredients and toss to coat. If you're using frozen berries, we need to let this sit for about 20 minutes. We don't want them completely thawed, but we don't want them ice cold either. Now the top crust. Instead of making slashes, I like to use a cookie cutter, cut out a shape, and then I set it back offset on top. And then I just like to crimp the sides with my fingers. I like to brush the whole top of my pie crust with heavy cream. First, I'm going to set this little daisy back in place. And then sprinkle it with this white sparkling sugar. I'm wrapping the edges with aluminum foil, which just helps to keep the pie crust from becoming too dark. This pie is going to cook for a total of 75 minutes. It's time to give our blueberry pie a taste, and my mouth will probably be all blue after I bite into it. I know it's delicious because I had it just a couple of days ago. Have all my bee balm on here. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind the scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.